In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the parking brake release handle on this Ram 2500. It's located on the left side of the driver's footwell. Let's get started. Pull out on the release handle, unclip it from this white tab, use a pick, just pull this down, and then you can pop the rod right out. Now to remove the handle, open it up all the way until it pops this trim piece out of place. And there's your handle. Take your new handle, line it up with the two notches, press it on, put this panel back, reconnect the rod, just like that, clip it back on. Once it's clipped on, there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.